now we are really moving into the core of module manufacturing. So here, and moving into the equipment area, we have Leo Yu, who is a who is a director of overseas sales department at one of the leading module production equipment supplier, ConfirmWare. He is going to talk about PV equipment for N-type modules, applications, and optimizations. Leo, please start your presentation. Hey, you were on mute. Please unmute yourself.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi everyone. This is Leo from ConfirmWare. I'm the overseas director. Thanks for your invitation. Today, I'd like to share my opinion about PV equipment for N-type modules, adaptation, and optimizations. As you can see now, the market share of different sales has been changed a lot. During the last 4 years, it is very obvious that the PERC sales has dominated the market. However, since last year, you can see the N-type sales has been growing very fast. And according to InfoLink, this year, N-type sales will dominate the market over than 70%. As a machine supplier, we have to change according to the market. Compared to P-type sales, N-type sales has the following features. First, N-type sales has many advantages, but these sales are more sensitive to temperature during the soldering systems. And N-type cells has more multi-bus bar. It can be up to 24 bus bar. However, the P-type cells, the maximum bus bar is only 12. It will increase the soldering difficulty. The other thing is the wafer is very thin. For example, for TOPCon N-type cells, it has around 120 μm of the thickness, and the heterojunction even only has 100 μm wafers. ConfirmWare has developed N-type cell soldering system since 3 years ago. We have different kind of modules. All of them can solder the N-type cells. Here, I'd like to introduce our main stringers. It has NDC that is called non-destructive cutter inside. We have the following advantages. One is the cycle times up to 10,000 pieces per hour now, and yield remains the same as before. Although the capacity is much more than before, it can reach 98.7%. Actually, at one customer site, it can be up to 99%. That means the soldering quality is very stable. And the other thing is the string can be longer, as long as more than 2 meters long, and the seal space can be minus. These two features, the PV module manufacturers, BRPV module manufacturers like it very much because they can design the strings, different strings, and they can make different kinds of modules, so it can meet the market demand. In order to solder the N-type cells, we developed a special high precision temperature control system that is called tunnel type light box. Actually, it is especially for heterojunction cells. As you know, heterojunction cells is very difficult to solder. So we found a way to solve this problem. Actually, we make a very big light box and divide it into 3 parts. So we can control the 3 parts, and the temperature curve can meet the demand of heterojunction cells. The other thing is our light is always on. That means it can show the cells without any stops, and the temperature will remain very stable. Actually, this system is patented already. Here is data from one of our customer sites. Compare, one is from our company, the other is from other supplier. As you can see, the yield has big difference. Our is only 1% screen return rate. However, the other suppliers even reach 3%. It is very high. Furthermore, after replacement of the new cells, it also has a big change. The ConfirmWare streamer can remain the same performance. However, the other suppliers has jumped the string return rate to even 7%. That is very high, and it's not accepted. So you can see our Springer has more stability. It can handle different kind of cells. And we designed the special ribbon control system for SMBB. One is the vertical grip. It can catch the ribbon. Now we call it round wire with in the right position, so the ribbon and the bus bar can match very well. The other thing is we design an overall tooling. That means it has a big downholder to press the ribbon. So the ribbon and the bus bar can be touched very tightly. It will help the soldering quality. It is very good for zero bus bar system. As you can see, the cells are very thin now, so it needs a very flexible handling system. After many tests, we found the right material for suckers. Now it is picking the cells in the right way, and it will not cause the micro crack. In the Springer, we have 3 different quality control systems. After cutting, we have cell PL inspection. So it will know after cutting which is okay, which is NG. If it's NG, it will remove to the NG box automatically. The others is after soldering, we have a visual appearance inspection system and also EL detection system. Furthermore, the AI system also integrate to the software. So one operator just watch the monitor. If there's a suspicious point, you can see easily. So you don't need to watch all the screens. It will much more increase the efficiency. We not only supply the stringers, but also supply the turnkey solution of PV module manufacturing line. With high automation, one line now only requires 24 people to make double glass modules and 18 people to make single glass modules. Why? Because we developed many automatic machines. For example, one line, 1 gigawatt line, it requires 5 stringer, then 5 stringer need 5 operator. But we found a solution to collect all the data from the 5 stringer into just 1 monitors. So just 1 operator can control 5 stringer now. That means 4 operators were saved. We design and make main machines like stringers, layup machines, and autobusing. Also, for the testers and laminators, we just cooperate with our partners. That means over 75 machines are made by us. So it's easy for us to control the quality and also give the service to our customers. About us, our company was founded in 2005, and we just focus on automation. In 2011, we made one of the first stringers made in China. And after 5 years, we developed the turnkey solution of PV module manufacturing. Now, more than 20 countries, we have sold the machines and production line, including Canada, America, China, of course, the Middle East, Europe, even in Nigeria. Actually, in order to support our local customers, we will set up our own service center there. For example, in Turkey, we have service centers in Istanbul. This helps us to got the good name because we can deliver the parts to the customer site very fast. As you know, the production cannot be stopped. So the faster response is a must. That's my presentation today. Thanks for all. If you have any questions, I'm willing to discuss with you. Thanks.
Thanks, Leo. I think that was quite short and sweet presentation. So I have a few questions regarding the interconnection. Like, you said your technology can help for several bus bars. So what is the typical bus bars right now in the industry? So some say 16, 18, and there are also people doing 24, but since you are an equipment maker and you are providing these solutions, what is the average for PERC and TOPCon?
For PERC, normally if it is 182, it's 10 bus bar. For 210, it's 12 bus bar. For TOPCon, it's different. TOPCon mainly 182 is 16 bus bar, and 210 is 18 bus bar.
And how this is received in non-Chinese market, when you are selling your tools to the countries which are not so much well versed with the kind of the automation what is happening in China. So is it really easy to handle the kind of 18 bus bars or these numbers? Can they be easily handled in non-Chinese countries?
Actually, it's up to the customer. For example, if in India or in Europe, they have a very good engineer, I think it's very easy. But for some countries, some customer, if they just have the operators, it's very hard. It's about what kind of people they have. Actually, I think the difficulty is the same as like 12 bus bar or 9 bus bar if they know the technology, if they know how to handle the machines.
Oh, okay. So, but increasing the number of bus bars doesn't increase the complexity with the machine.
Yes, I think so.
Okay. And, then talking about the zero bus bar, how far it is from the mainstream production out of China? I think in several countries, in several leading module makers, in China, they are evaluating it already. But when do you think this will be available out of China, the zero bus bar technology?
I think in China, yes, they have several, but it's not mainstream. I think it need to be tested in the market. As I know, it's not going very well in China too. So after it is approved, then the overseas customer will also buy the stringer to sell the zero bus bars. Of course, we will follow the China.
Yeah. So you were also offering the zero bus bar technology?
Yeah, yes, of course.
Okay, I think there are also a lot of questions in the chat window. Would be great if you can, stay till we meet again for the panel. So meanwhile, please enjoy our conference and also answer these questions. There are several directly.
Okay. Yeah. I will answer one by one.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.